Thank you very much. You have been a wonderful audience. And before Sunil goes inside, I wanted to give him another meaning of Sunil. There is Sunil. I can tell you another meaning, good meaning of Sunil, because I teach Hindi at the University of Sydney, so you have to trust me. So Sue, wherever you add Sue, maybe some of you know the meaning of Sundar. Sundar is beautiful. So wherever we add Sue, that means nice, good, beautiful. So good Sunil, good Neil is your name.
Thank you, Sureka.
So that's all it is. I run an organization, ILASA, Indian Literary and Art Society of Australia, and I founded it to preserve and promote our culture, literature, languages and art in Australia, and to build a bridge between India and Australia. And as we know, many native languages in the past became extinct, and according to the count, 6,700 separate languages were spoken in the world in 1996. By some estimates, 80% of the world's languages may vanish within the next century. Here comes the role of Miles Merrill, World Travels. So congratulations, Miles. You are doing a wonderful job to preserving our languages, and congratulations for organizing this program. My poem is Ganga. So Ganga, if you know, is called as Ganges by the British people. So this poem is an ode to Mother Ganga. Ganges river is the lifeline of not only Hindu civilization but of the entire nation. Every Indian, irrespective of their religion or background, considers that river Ganga as a life-giving mother. The legend behind the Ganga is the King Bhagirath wanted to bring Ganga from the heaven to the earth. And he worshipped, he prayed for thousands of years, and then Brahma, Lord, Sunil was talking about Lord Vishnu, but this is Lord Brahma, who is the creator. So Bhagirath went to him and asked him if he could take Ganga to the earth. And this is how Ganga became a very important, Ganga came to earth in India and became a very important aspect of Hindu mythology and religion. And a lot of my students say they love Varanasi. Varanasi in India is the hub of Ganga. If we die, Hindus die, they want to be cremated in Varanasi, near the Ganges. So this poem is on Ganga. गंगा उछलती है, मचलती है, अपार विस्तार में नर्तन करती है, लोगों की आस्था को बढ़ाती है और जीवन रस बांटती बहती जाती है, जीवन की लालिमा में शक्ति का संचार करती है, मृत्यु की कालिमा में मुक्ति का द्वार खोलती है, बरसों से बहते बहते थकी नहीं, अपना रस बांटते बांटते छकी नहीं, अपनी संपत्ति देते देते थकी नहीं। अब कुछ उदास है, अब कुछ उदास है, पर बहती जाती है, माँ है ना, माँ है ना, सब कुछ सहकर भी मुस्कुराती है, अपनी आंखों की कोरों से टपकते आंसुओं को पी लेती है। गंगा शिकायत नहीं करती, गंगा शिकायत नहीं करती, बस यूं ही जी लेती है। देश छोड़ रही थी तो समेट लाई थी, गंगा मेरे सूटकेस में खिलखिलाई थी, अब गंगा मेरे संग रहती है। माँ की तरह मेरे सारे सुख दुख सहती है और फल देने लगते हैं मेरे सारे तीरथ। फल देने लगते हैं मेरे सारे तीरथ और मैं बनने लगती हूँ कलयुग की भगीरथ और मैं बनने लगती हूँ कलयुग की भगीरथ। थैंक यू, शुक्रिया, नमस्ते।
Thank you so much, Reka. Well, we've got one more performer, and we've also got. Have we got the results, Miles?
Yes, we do. Is this microphone happening? Yes, we do have the results here. We've also got last year's winner, Onur. Is he in the house? He's been taking photographs all night. Onur, so we're going to welcome Onur to perform home.